Hello my lovely student, how are you? I hope all of you are doing fine. This is teacher Rahaf with you, and this might be our last class in this semester. So let's start. So today in our student book page 93 we are going to take a look at writing order of adjectives. So today we are going to learn about order of adjectives, and it's very interesting thing to learn about. So today read about the order of adjectives. So this is all talking about adjectives and how to order them when you have two or more adjectives for one thing. When you want to describe something using two or more adjectives, there's a specific order you have to make it. So here, when we have two or more adjectives in a sentence, we put them in a certain order. لما يكون عندنا صفتين أو أكثر لشيء معين في جملة واحدة لازم أحطهم بترتيب معين. So let's take a look at this order. At the beginning, number 1, you have opinion. 2, size. 3, age. 4, the shape. 5, the color. 6, the origin. 7, the material. So let's discover each adjective of these and find out how to use it. Okay, so how to order the adjectives. In English, it's common to use more than one adjective before a noun. When you use more than one adjective, you have to put them in the right order according to the type. So let's find out these different types and how to order them. So the first one, we have the opinion, and an opinion means adjective explains what you think about something and other people may not agree with you. إذن opinion هي وجهة نظرك الشخصية في وصف شيء معين ممكن الآخرين ما يوافقوك في هذا الشيء. So an opinion adjective explains what you think about something and other people may not agree with you. Let's look at these examples. Silly, beautiful, horrible, difficult. And if you want to use each one of them in example, for example, let's say silly, this cat is silly. Beautiful, this flower is beautiful. Horrible, for example, this movie is a horrible movie. Difficult, this subject, for example, is difficult. So it's my opinion, I am describing these things and people may not agree with me. So the first adjective is the opinion, your opinion. The second adjective we use in describing is the size. And size here, adjective, of course, tell you about how big or small something is when you want to describe the size of something. For example, large, small, tiny, enormous, little. So these are adjectives, you can use them to describe the size of something. So the first adjective we use is the opinion. The second one we use the size. Let's take a look at the third one. The age. An age adjective tells you how young or old something or someone. For example, ancient, new, young, old. So it tells us about the age of someone or something. Ancient, for example, let's say this building is very ancient. هذا المبنى عتيق جدا أو قديم. New, this is a new car. هاي السيارة حديثة. And you have young and old and many other words you can use them in describing the age. So let's repeat. At the beginning we use the opinion. Number 2, the size. Number 3, the age. Let's see number 4. What do we have? The shape. A shape adjective describes the physical form or appearance of something اللي هو المظهر الخارجي لشيء معين. You can use these examples: square, round, flat, rectangular. For example, you can say this cake is round. هاي الكيكة its physical appearance مظهرها الخارجي round دائري. So this table is a square. هاي الطاولة مظهرها الخارجي square مربع. So shape describes the physical form or appearance of something. So how many adjectives do we have till now? 4, I guess. We talked about the opinion, then we talked about the age, the size, and shape. Now let's see number 5. Here we have the color. A color adjective of course describes the color of something. لما بدك توصف لون شيء معين: blue, pink, reddish, gray. And here we have the origin. The origin adjective describes where something comes from. أصل الشيء أو المكان اللي إجا منه. For example, French, American, Eastern, Greek. Material. A material adjective describes what something is made of. اللي هي المادة اللي مصنوع منها الإشي اللي أنا بحكي عنه. Wooden, for example, شيء خشبي. Metal, معدني. Cotton, something made from cotton, القطن. Paper, something's made from the paper. So the material describes what something is made of. Purpose is not included in your book. So again, let's go back to our book. Here you have to memorize the order of the adjectives. You have in your book 7 adjectives. Opinion, and we said it's something you say it about describing things. إشي رأيك الخاص في شيء معين. Other people may not agree with you. The size, and we said the size means the size of the something you are talking about. Is it big or small? Age describes the age of the thing you are describing it or you are talking about. How old is it? Is it old? Is it new? Is it ancient? Shape, we said it's the physical appearance for something. المظهر الخارجي أو الشكل الخارجي للشيء اللي بتحكي عنه أو بتوصف فيه. Color, it's clear enough, واضحة. Origin, we said that origin means the place that thing comes from. الأصل أو المكان الأصلي اللي هذا الشيء إجا منه. And the material اللي هي المادة اللي مصنوع منها الشيء اللي أنا بحكي عنه. A wooden chair, for example, كرسي خشبي. A metal, anything metal, you can use any example. So material means the thing or the material this thing is made of. المادة اللي مصنوع منها هذا الإشي. A metal bed, for example, تخت مصنوع من الحديد. A wooden closet, خزانة مصنوعة من الخشب. So you have to describe the material. So how many adjectives do we have? 7. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material. That was all for today. So you have to go back to your book. You have here B, you have to do this exercise. Exercise B, you have to do it. And C. But here D and E are cancelled. We are not going to make it. Also, you have this worksheet. To remind you of our lesson today, you have the adjectives in order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and you have this exercise. You have to do it alone. So thank you so much. See you soon. Good luck.